everyone, this is Alex from Titan Machine Company. I'm pleased to introduce our lawnmower. This is our lawnmower for gasoline type, which have two sizes for 18 for blenders, 80-inch and 20-inch. Start system is hand pull electrical, and the driving is self-propelled. This is our electrical handle, and this is our expander handle, which you can adjust speed according to your feeling. Many friends asked me how big it's for grass bag. Our grass bag for all of lawnmowers is 16 liters. And we are going to test machine 19cc with 80-inch blenders. Let my colleague Vicky to introduce you how work it is. Okay, Vicky, are you ready? Okay, here we go. Here we go. Okay, friends, we have finished. During the special time for Corona, I wish you and your family have good always. And we do hope that after watching the video, you have more time in garden to make your beautiful